Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to do a full face of drugstore makeup look today, you guys. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is J Sparkle Makeup. So we are going to start off with an eyeshadow today, and this is an eyeshadow that I have for a while now. So I have so many eyeshadow here, you guys, that I haven't been using. So today we are going to go into this one. I already do my brows, and I use some concealer to prime my eyes so I can end up using um the color on my eyes. And I'm going in with this shade today, this one here. Okay, guys, so this is full face of Drugstore makeup. So I'm gonna show you them one by one today that I use on my face. First, I started out with this eyeshadow. This is what I started out. And then I end up finish up with this one from Revolution, you guys. So this is the second eyeshadow that I use on my eyes from Revolution. Also, I go in with my powder hair from Juvia's Place. This is what I use to set the rest of my face. And then I also go in with my powder from Revolution, which is the banana powder, to set underneath my eyes because this doesn't crease your under eye. As for me, as a mature skin, it doesn't crease my under eye. So this is what I go in to set underneath my eye, my forehead, and above my nose here. So this is what I use. Then I also go in with foundation. I go in with the Maybelline Super Stay 30-hour foundation. This, you guys, I really love this. I picked up one more today because it was on sale, and I really and truly love this foundation. It blends amazing on your skin, and mine is in 340. So this is the shade that I am wearing today on my face. Now, as far as I go in with my Maybelline lipstick. This is it. Here I go in with. And after that, I do add this lip gloss. This is the one from Hard Candy. I do apply over my lip. So these are the two things I use on my lip today, you guys. Now, as far as I use this as a contour liquid stick because it is darker than me, and I use that. I also use the e.l.f. Concealer underneath my eyes to brighten my under eyes, and these are really of a great under eyes concealer, you guys. And then I also go in with Wet n Wild. I use two of this because this one is more like of a glowy look, and then this one is a matte look. So I use this first, and then I go in with the matte shade over it. And also, this is from Hard Candy, you guys. This I also go in with this is a highlight stick, and let me show you. I'm not really a fan of it still, but I already bought it. So this is what it look like here on the back of my hand. So this is what I go in with. So this is my final look, and I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next upload. God bless you. Bye for now.